Ford pickup time here. This one's an interesting one. 1953 Ford F100. A couple interesting things. In 1953, that would have actually been the first year that Ford went to the F100. Their second gen. First gens, of course, all would have been the F1. So a first for Ford in 1953, the F100. And then also a last for Ford in 1953. With that flathead V8 in this truck being the last year that you'd have got the flatty in a Ford pickup truck. So yeah, kind of a cool year. Now this particular one, as you can see, it's kind of a dark blue. This would have originally been a Sheridan blue truck, which to me is a little bit darker. In the description I do have Sheridan blue. To me, a Sheridan blue is maybe just a little bit darker, but this originally would have been a blue truck nonetheless. As you can see up here in the front grille, you'd have the standard cab grille, V8 logo on the center. And yes, this was originally a V8 truck, still has the flathead V8 in it, would have been a 239 cubic inch engine. This also would have had a 4-speed manual synchronized trans in it, and still has a 4-speed manual transmission in it. As you can see, chrome bumpers up front, chrome bezels, a little bright work on the hood, that V8 logo, all nice shape. Gives this truck a good look. Are there a few spots where it's touched up? Yes, you're going to see a few imperfections, kind of just real light scratches in the clear. But again, very, very light. This truck still shows very well. Has been repainted and restored along the line somewhere. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the interior engine bay bed of this truck, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number to call. Got any questions? 507-386-1726. We do have technicians that go through the trucks, cars, vehicles that we sell. And there will be an inspection checklist that they've done on this one. Feel free to discuss that with your sales associate. Wheels, as you can see, steel wheels. Ford center caps, riding on Coker Classic wide whites. We have the white running boards, really kind of setting that off. Now, something I want to show you in here. As far as interior, cloth and vinyl seat. Has been redone, headliner, all of that looking good in this truck. Dash painted white, retained the stock gauge cluster. Black carpeting has been installed, also in very nice shape. One thing I want to show you, this does have the data tag here, and this right here, that's the DSO. It has 2 pounds. Typically that DSO would be district sales office, would tell you where this truck was shipped to, and if it was a special order, there'd be some digits behind there for special production order, special production order. Anyway, if you know what that pound means there, be interesting. Leave a comment down below in the video. I'd like to know that. You can see that data plate that is in the still pictures. That tells us a lot of things about this truck being an F100. Was originally a flatty, has a VIN number on there, tells a lot of things about a tranny, engine, all of that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the bed of this, done a nice job, good look to it. So you get the spray-in type liner around the outside. Bed walls, and then just kind of a natural oak appearing floor in it, and it gives it a good look. Nice look for, you know, stock looking 53 Ford F100. See dual exhaust coming out the back. We're going to start it up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay, check it all over. And remember, you can see the still pictures and see the underside, the engine bay, everything we're talking about. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's that link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's look up and down the driver's side here a second. We'll pop her open. I mean, you see the reflection coming off the door. Paint is in nice shape. Yes, are there a few nicks or touch-ups Light scratches, absolutely, like in most of the cars you're going to drive, they'll have a little one. But overall, this truck shows very, very well. All right, let's check out the interior of this one. So again, 4-speed manual transmission. Of course, the seats have been recovered. But in nice shape. Free of wear, tear, rips, anything like that. And again, take a look from the headliner, everything from this side. Looks good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It does have electric fuel pump too. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. And then this has been converted 12-volt system as far as headlights and newer wiring and stuff. All right. See how nice that door closes and fits. You don't always see that on these older trucks. Flatty sounds good. No crazy exhaust, nothing too loud, obnoxious, anything like that. What you'd expect. The old school hot rods you hear with that Flatty in them. 239. That's what they sound like. Pretty cool. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. I want you to check out the engine bay because it's as nice as the rest of this truck. So let's check it out. All right, hood pop. Here you go. Get a good look at that Flatty. Nice and dressed up underneath there. Very nicely done. Nice smooth runner. Pretty much just what you'd expect out of a 1953 flathead. So there you go. Looking for a second gen nice Ford F100? Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.